Steve's 10 Rules for Successful Life in 2024. Steve Jobs' principles for success included 1. Follow your passion. Pursue what you love. It makes the journey more fulfilling. 2. Think differently. Embrace creativity and challenge the status quo. 3. Stay hungry. Stay foolish. Maintain a hunger for learning and take risks. 4. Simplify. Focus on what matters. Simplicity can lead to innovation. 5. Innovate. Constantly strive to create and improve. 6. Don't fear failure. Learn from mistakes. They are stepping stones to success. 7. Collaborate. Surround yourself with talented people. Teamwork is crucial. 8. Listen to customers. Understand their needs and deliver value. 9. Pay attention to design. Aesthetics matter. Well-designed products enhance user experience. 10. Stay curious. Never stop exploring, questioning, and seeking new ideas.